Today I'm going to give you an introduction about the STRUMED iNSTAXPLOR COVID-19 antigen test kit box. This is a 25 test kit box, and this is a completely CE-IVD certified kit and also ICMR approved. This is how the box looks like, and I'm quickly introduce this box. This is the front side, this is the other side. You can see the result interpretation, and this is the back side, and this is the bottom side, and here it is the top side. Okay, let me unbox this for you. I'm going to give you the introduction about the kit contents. The kit box contains one IFU brochure, which give you the complete instruction about usage of this kit, and sterile swab sticks, 25 numbers. It's duly packed. This is CE certified ones, and you have a specimen transfer device, 25 numbers, and the nozzle cap to be used along with the 25 numbers, and you have two bottles of buffer, two bottles of extraction buffer to use for the test, and you have a 25 test cassettes. I'll take two pieces of the test cassettes. This is how the test cassettes will look like. Okay, here you can see it's a 2 years validity. This is how the total kit will look like. Let me give you a quick summary again. Today we are seeing this STRUMED iNSTAXPLOR COVID-19 antigen test kit, which is a CE-IVD certified product and ICMR approved kit, and the kit box contains one IFU brochure and sterile specimen swab stick, 25 numbers, and specimen transfer device, 25 numbers, and nozzle cap, 25 numbers, and two bottles of extraction buffer. And here are the test cassettes. The 25 test cassettes are inside the box. Thank you.